Hey everybody, my name is Eric Geis, and I'm one half of Got Tech, the podcast. My other buddy, Nick Johnson, could not be down here for this recording, but we wanted to give you a couple of things that you will need for next Monday's class. We are both very excited to come in, but we want to take a little bit of time just to share what we plan on doing while we're with you guys. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to give you some interesting and hot new extensions and tools that you'll be able to use in your classroom, whether you're teaching now as a pre-service teacher or you're getting into it maybe next year. So that's the first thing we'll do. The second thing that we want to do is introduce you to an escape the room. Now I know some of you have already done this and have already participated in this. This is going to be a whole new getup. We're going to bring in many different experiences from the escape the rooms that we've created, and we're going to let you try those out. And then we're going to wrap up the class with you guys making some of your own escape the room clues and using resources. But in order to do that, we need your help gathering some materials so I could print those out in advance. Alright, so you're going to get a shared document that looks like this as I kick myself down to the lower right hand corner. I already filled out a couple of these. I was a science teacher, so I am pretty familiar with evolution. I put some topics in here. These are obviously not all the main topics from evolution. If we take a look, I have Pangea, geological time, evolution types, and I was thinking divergent, convergent, and parallel evolution, and Darwin's finches. What I want you guys to do is I want you to come up with at least one per person. Come up with some other topics that fit along with evolution that you could see in your class when you teach it. All right, and then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to gather pictures, videos, readings, audio recordings, or graphs. One or two should be plenty. Usually, if I figure out what I want to do for that clue is a bunch of pictures, I stay with pictures. So really, one type of resource is good, but you want to make sure that you're showing everything under that topic. For example, if I'm doing geological time and I'm using pictures, all right, I would want to have time periods, all the time periods in a geological time scale there. Maybe I want some pictures of organisms that fit during the major eras. These are some examples. So really anything that you put down there, the more thorough you are, the more likely you're going to find something that you're going to be able to work with to make a clue out of. So when we come in on Monday, what we're going to do is we're going to take all these resources, and I'll have a lot of them printed out already for you guys to use. We're going to take these resources and we're going to come up with an escape the room that you guys will be able to use in your classrooms, and hopefully we can get that done so everyone gets those resources once we leave. Like I said, we're looking forward to it. If you have any questions on this, you can email me at ericguise@hvrsd.org, and I'll get back to you. But like I said, we're looking forward to it, and we'll see you next week.